Your Honor, I put it to you that my client is innocent. Period. 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 My glass is filled. Your Honor, my client is innocent. Your Honor, 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 my client is innocent. Thank you.
No!
Guys, I stood on my Bible. I stepped on my Bible. God forgive me.